The House of Representatives has approved on third and final reading a bill regulating the use, sale, and manufacture of e-cigarettes and vaping products. House Bill 9007 was passed with 132 affirmative votes, 34 negative votes, and 4 abstentions. The bill lowers the age for use and sale of e-cigarette and vaping products from 21 years old to 18 years old. It also seeks to prohibit the sale or distribution of e-cigarettes and vapes within 100 meters from any point of the perimeter of a school, playground, or any facilities frequented by minors. Also, e-cigarette and vaping products will be banned in schools, hospitals, government offices, and facilities for minors, as well as all enclosed public spaces except in designated vaping areas. And we now talk to Attorney Ben Nispores. He is a legal consultant of Health Justice Philippines. Good morning, Attorney Ben. Thank you for joining us.
Good morning, Ria. Good morning to our listeners and viewers.
All right, now
Thank you for having us.
It's good to have you. Now, Health Justice is a public health think tank that aims to bridge the gap between health and law in order to empower Filipinos to make healthy choices. Can we get your reaction on the passage of this bill, and how long has it been in the works?
We are very much disappointed because we consider this as a setback or a retrogression from our current strict policies on e-cigarettes and heated tobacco products. We consider this as a betrayal of public health because the provisions of the new bill are lower or less strict and weaker than our present regulation. That's why we are also not surprised because we see this as an industry-backed bill, meaning the tobacco industry and the vape industry have been lobbying for these bills. And health advocates have been in Congress, but it seems that our legislators did not consider health concerns in the passage of this bill.
Right. One thing that is rather surprising, actually, about this bill is that they lowered the age limit. So now 18-year-olds can actually access vaping products. Before, you needed to be 21. What are your thoughts on that?
Again, that's weakening our strict regulation, our present strict regulation where we have 21 years old age of access. Why would you lower that? It will be less protective to our children and to the youth because, health experts have been saying that age of maturation for our brain is 25 years old. So the better policy is the higher age restriction is better than a lower age restriction.
Okay, now what about this idea of putting leaflets on the product? So do you think that's necessary? Because, for example, on cigarettes, they don't just carry warnings, they're very graphic warnings. Is that something that would work for vaping products?
I think it would work because the effects of e-cigarettes are almost the same as a traditional cigarette. So what we want is graphic health warning, not only textual warning. So what you see in cigarette packs now should also be applied on vapes and e-cigarette products.
All right. Thank you for your thoughts this morning. That was Attorney Ben Nispores from Health Justice Philippines.